So with a week to go until Christmas, 2020 is about to come to a close. But I've got an opportunity for you today to capitalise on a scheme that is actually now being extended. And this is from Ward High Tech. Now, if you purchase one of their stock machines, which could be one of any of the following brands, a Dali, maybe a Huachon, an SFM, Kihung, there are various machines available from their portfolio in stock. Now, if you purchase one this side of Christmas, so within the next week, you will be able to benefit from their extended payment term scheme, which basically means you don't have to pay for the machine until October 2021. Yes, that's correct. You don't have to pay until October 2021. So that, correct me if I'm wrong, is around about 10 months of free machining. If you have one of these machines installed in January in your factory, you could capitalise on making the most out of that capacity without parting with your hard-earned profits until October 2021. Yes, you need to order the machine this side of Christmas, so that gives you less than a week, but visit Ward High Tech's website to find out what machines are available and to find out more about the deal. Of course, terms and conditions apply, of which you can talk to Ward High Tech directly about that. Visit their website, wardhightech.co.uk.